Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 gamepad or controller not working. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. Now this will restart your system. After restarting, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers and update it, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to enable disable Steam inputs. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back and here you have to select disable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again the next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Wherever you can see the play option here, as for example, you can see the update option will be available. You have to simply click on update option, and after updating, now check if a gamepad or controller is working or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for update option and it will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows, now check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and device, then here your controller will be added. You have to select the three dot icon and then click on remove device. So after removing the device, restart your PC. After restarting, again come back and here you have to click on add a device and then add your controller over here, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to install DS for Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also simply search for DS for Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website opens, you have to click on download option. Now after that, this page will open. From here you have to download the DS for Windows tool. After downloading it, install them, and after installing, connect your controller and update it, and then launch Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and then check if the error is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.